For this video, we'll talk about parts of the body. So let's go right into it. Head. My head hurts after reading for too long. Hair. She has long black hair. Face. He washed his face in the morning. Eyes. My eyes are tired from staring at the computer. Nose. She has a runny nose. Mouth. Please open your mouth for the dentist. Ears. He can hear well with his right ear. Neck. I have a sore neck from sleeping badly. Shoulders. He hurt his shoulders. Arms. She lifted the box with her arms. Elbows. He leaned on his elbows. Hand. My hands are cold. Fingers. She counted the money with her fingers. Chest. He has pain in his chest. Back. I have back pain from sitting too long. Stomach. I have a stomach ache. Legs. Her legs are sore from running. Knees. He injured his knees while playing soccer. Feet. My feet hurt after working all day. Toes. She painted her toenails. Brain. The brain helps us think and learn. Teeth. I brush my teeth every morning. Chain. He touched his chain while thinking. Wrist. She wears a watch on her wrist. Throat. My throat hurts when I swallow. Tie. He injured his tie while playing soccer. Ankle. She twisted her ankle while running. Thank you. Please subscribe and follow this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.